Hi, good afternoon. This is Jason with Majestec Security Screens. We're at our customer's home here this afternoon where we've just installed one of our Majestec invisible security screen doors here on the back of their home. This is a sliding glass door, but it actually turned out better in this case. We installed a 4-foot wide hinge door on their opening. The customer can leave it open while they're sleeping at night and get nice, cool, fresh air in the warmer summer months. We like to point out this looks much like regular insect mesh, but if we take a close look here, this is our marine grade stainless steel mesh, security mesh, which cannot be cut with a knife or cut with any sort of hand tools, can't be broken free from its frame. Also, we like to point out here on our hinge doors, not only do we lock here at the center deadbolt, we also have a large upper and a large lower hook on the door that come out and engage the door in 3 places down its entire frame. Let's take a look around the front as well. We've also installed one on their front door so they can leave both the back and front doors open yet locked and secure with our invisible security screens. Get a nice cross breeze through the home. Our front door here, you can see, adds a little bit of privacy from outside looking inward. But when you're inside the home looking out, your view is unobstructed and the mesh all but virtually disappears from eyesight, why we call them invisible security screens. Thanks for joining us today. If you have any questions, you can always give us a call toll free at 855-Majestec or check us out on the web at majestecsocal.com. Thanks for joining us today, and I'm sure we'll be talking to you real soon.